with B-Stride DIY. I want to do something a little different today. I want to talk about some new power tools at Harbor Freight. Now, from Baur, this is the 20-volt brushless cordless quarter-inch Hex 3-speed impact driver kit with 1.5 amp hour battery and charger. This has pretty high ratings. It's got 14 ratings so far, but they look like about 4.8 stars. It's got a brushless motor, which delivers power to set over four. Oh, it's just telling you what it can do. I was like 424 what? 424 deck screws on a single charge. I guess if you're putting in a new deck, this kit includes a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger. Now, this is from Hercules 20 volt. It's a new tool as well. All these are going to be new tools or items. It's a brushless, cordless, variable speed jigsaw. This is the tool only. You're getting the 5-year warranty here. So this has a brushless motor with up to 3,000 strokes per minute to cut through the toughest materials, they're saying. And on it, they've got a 5 amp hour battery. But keep in mind, this is the tool only on this one. 5 stars, though, from 9 reviews so far. So it's got a good start, at least. All right, another new tool here from Atlas. It's their 80-volt brushless cordless 9-inch cutoff saw kit with 4 amp hour battery and a rapid charger. So this delivers 4 times the power to cut metal, concrete, masonry, and rebar. And it includes the tool, the 4 amp hour lithium ion battery, as well as the 80-volt rapid charger. This is going to be $449. I think they're comparing it to the DeWalt $899 one here. All right, next from Baur, this is the 20-volt cordless 3/8 of an inch right angle impact wrench. This is the tool only. Just has one review, but it's a 5-star review so far. It's 89 bucks. And it's got the right angle head, of course, for this tight spaces. And this is the tool only, so you will need a battery. This is from Bauer. It's their 20-volt brushless cordless half-inch hammer drill. This is the tool only for $49. They're saying this delivers 25% more torque for those demanding drill jobs. And it looks like 4.5 stars with a 29 rating so far. Go ahead and leave a like and a comment if there's something that you may want to wait just to see if there's going to be a sale on. Likely there will be, but not really. These aren't sale prices. These are new items, so they're just testing them out, I'm sure, to see how well they sell. Now from Hercules, this is the 20-volt 5 amp hour extended performance lithium ion battery. Of course, with that extended runtime, you're at $74. And this has a 3-year limited warranty on this one with the LED light up for the battery just to see how much life it has left. Next from Hercules, you've got this 20-volt brushless cordless drywall screw gun with auto drive. This is the tool only. So the auto drive function apparently starts immediately on contact with drywall, and you can drive 3,000 screws apparently on this single charge. And that's what it looks like in action there. You're going all the way down. Next from Hercules, you have this 3.5-inch diamond grit grout blade for oscillating multi-tools, $11.99. This is their high performance ONT diamond grit blade, constructed with long lasting diamond grit for fast grout removal. Fits most major brands of tools. It's about 5 stars with 15 ratings, maybe like 4.9. I have never seen anything like this. Let me know if you guys have seen this before. This looks like a weapon from the front lines or something. This is the Hercules collated drywall screw gun attachment. Oh, it's an attachment. Okay. Anyways, this is $49. This uses the screw gun attachment with the Hercules drywall screw gun to feed collated screw strips for fast drywall work. It says it works with most brands of screw strips up to 2 inches. Let me know if you guys have tried that before. So that's the piece, and it just attaches right on the tip of the screw gun there. I've never seen that before, but that's pretty interesting. I mean, I guess it's going to save you time if you've got those long strips of screws and you're just going down doing some drywall, but very interesting. I kind of like that. Next from Warrior, you've got this 1/4-inch 7/16 5/8 by 25 inches long wood drill bit set. It's a 3-piece set for $14.99. Saying these long reach wood bits are ideal for drilling holes, and that's for like beams and joists if you're doing like new construction or major renovation. That's from Bauer. This is their Cyclone dust separator attachment. So this is just saying you can make your dust collector run at top efficiency by keeping it free of debris. It's got cyclonic action, directing, and this is kind of how it's hooked up to the dust collector. directing 95% of dust away from the filter, apparently. These are from Hercules. They've got that nice blue color. It's a masonry drill bit set. It's a six-piece set for 14.99. They're made with blast point turbo premium carbide tips to break through the toughest materials without scratching or skating. This is a closer up view of them with the little packaging. 4.7-ish stars, 4.8 stars with 21 reviews. This is the Meguiar's 32-ounce Pro Speed Polish. If you need some polish for your variable speed polishers, $29. It's effective with use with rotary buffers and polishing by hand. And that's got about 4.8 stars with 9 reviews. First up, we have this Baur 24-inch fence and miter gauge. It's $44. They're saying you can use this fence and miter gauge to make precision miter and cross cuts on wide lumber with your table saw or bandsaw. Let's go ahead and see how they're using it here. So that's going to be $44, and then they're comparing it to the Craig KMS 7102. So you're saving 105, but these are not necessarily saving items. These are more new items from Harbor Freight. Another new item, this is the Hercules 12-gallon OSHA compliant dust extractor for $349. They're saying this dust extractor uses a dual HEPA filter to capture 99.9% of particulates at 0.3 microns and larger. So this is what it looks like here. It's a pretty heavy duty dust extractor. Has the front wheels and the large wheels in the back along with a little carrying handle. And along a nice little roll up area for the cord on the top as well. So next new item, this is from Warrior. It's a 0.9 amp 2-inch mini cutoff saw, and it's $37. They're saying this delivers up to 10,600 RPMs for high-speed precision cuts for soft metals, wood, and plastic. Here's another view of it, and then let's go ahead and see how they're using it. And that's another view there. They've got some kind of small little dowels that they're cutting with it there. This is new from Baur. It's the multi-material oscillating multi-tool blade. It's a 4-piece set, 14.99. So it's for the most used blades for repairs, renovation, installation, and upgrades. So this is a new battery-powered inverter from Atlas. It comes in 40, 80, and 80 volt. It's a 300-watt battery-powered inverter. It's the tool only. So this can be used with any Atlas 40 volt or 80 volt battery to charge electronic devices, power lights, and operate other essential items. That's another view of it here with the actual battery. Looks like 4.6 as far as the star rating. Keep in mind just to look up at the star rating. They're not going to have a ton of stars just because of the new fact that they're a new tool, but you can kind of gauge what stars they have so far. All right, guys, next up is this Baur 20-volt brushless cordless L-shape 1 and 1/8 inch SDS plus type rotary hammer. It's the tool only. So this is a heavy duty rotary hammer with the power to drill more than 130 holes in a single charge. It does have a 2-mode selector for the rotary hammer or their hammer only with up to 3.5 feet per pound of impact energy. And that's them using it on some wood there or concrete. Now this is a new item from Quinn. It's a 3/4 inch drive socket accessory kit. It's a 5-piece kit. It's a rugged socket adapter and extension kit with a full assortment of accessories. It includes a universal joint, 3/4 inch female, 1/2 inch male adapter, and 3 extensions, 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. And I'll go ahead and show you the different images of them here. That comes with a nice little carrying case. Has 1 review so far, but it's 5 stars. Wow, this one has 5 stars. It's an Icon 9-inch long nose slip joint plier, $24. It says it has a 3-position long nose plier with crossed hatch teeth. You're getting that for the superior grip and strength with those rubberized handles there. This is great for mechanic work, whatever you need it for, really. Now, this is from Quinn. It has 1 star, 1 review at 5 stars. This is a rugged socket set, which comes with a 3/4 inch dry ratchet, full assortment of deep impact sockets, impact extensions, swivel adapter, and square bud socket for heavy duty automotive service and repair. I really like how everything's has its own place. It has a nice little kit there or I mean carrying case. Looks pretty nice. This is a new item from Doyle. It's a 6-in-1 stubby multi-bit screwdriver nut driver. 7.99. So you're getting 6 tools in one here. You get 2 Phillip bits, 2 slotted drives, and 2 nut drivers here. Let me try to get a picture of all those. This has about 4.9, almost 5 stars with 30 different reviews. And this is from the Doyle brand. I have not heard of this brand, but a lot of things I haven't heard from at Harbor Freight. Now this is from Doyle as well. It's their $19 16-ounce steel nailing hammer, and it's got a smooth face on this professional hammer, superior striking force, they're saying, and reduces shock by up to 50% just based on the ergodynamic grip and design of this. Now, this is from Pittsburgh. It's their 12-inch miter box with 13.5-inch back saw. It's for $9.99. With this, you're getting precise mitered and bevel cuts at 45 and 90 degrees angles with this standard Pittsburgh miter box. Now, keeping with Doyle again, this is their 3-pound steel drilling hammer. It's got five-star reviews at $14.99. This has kind of that comfortable overmold fiberglass handle. Let's saying it's lightweight and durable, letting you deliver those kind of heavy blows when you need them here. There's some people different using them here on rebar and some items like that. Now, next from Icon, this is another new item. It's the ratcheting retaining ring plier set with replaceable tips. It's a two-piece set for $89, and they have these snap ring pliers with internal and external circlips securely until they are removed or installed. They have interchangeable tips, handle rings from 1.5 inch to 4 inches, and these are replacing 16 individual pliers here. And that's a better view. Comes with the storage case here and the different attachments. This is from Icon. It's their 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, and a 1/2 inch Drive Pro Deep E Torque sockets, the 13-piece set. They're made with their deep chamfered openings for easy engagement with the male Torques here. That's what they look like inside. This is them in the carrying case and someone using them here. All right, this is an automotive item here. This is from Viking. It's their 2000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter and power bank. This is 139. They're saying this lightweight, extremely compact jump starter, capable of starting engines as large as 8 liters up to V10s, as well as 6-liter diesels. And with this, you can get up to 50 jump starts per charge. That's pretty impressive. These are nice just because you can carry them in your car. They come with the the charger, the wall plug-in, a carrying case, the actual jump starter, and then the jumper plug-in cables. A lot of these do have force start on them, which is really nice. And this also acts as a power bank as well. Next from Viking, you've got this $99 1000 peak amp lead acid multifunction jump starter with power pack. This does include a 150 psi air compressor, kind of hence why it's a little bit larger. This can give you up to 35 jumps per charge, and then the lighted pressure gauge indicates what you're working with, and then the work light makes this ideal for kind of all emergency conditions. So if you kind of want an all-in-one product, this is a decent one here. It looks like about 4.6 stars, 1000 peak amps, enough to get your car jump started. This is similar to the one of the ones I kind of had, except it didn't have, I don't think it had the built-in flip down plug, which is kind of nice. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, these are just some new items here. They're not necessarily the items that are on sale, but go ahead and check out this next video where I go ahead and show you some more items as well.